Hello everyone, myself Anjali Soni from the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, Rama University, Mandana, Kanpur. Today we are going to discuss on the topic type of creative writing. As we are discussed about previous lecture about creative writing, what is creative writing, importance of creative writing, use of creative writing. But today our topic is types of creative writing. Now we are going to discuss on the topic types of creative writing. Today I write there are three types of creative writing: poetry, plays, movies, television script, fiction, songs, speeches, memoirs, personal essay. These are eight types of creative writing. We basically use creative writing in these types of scripts. First is poetry. What is poetry and how we use creative writing in this? In poetry, we use our imagination. A writer always imaginate about the story, about what they want to write. They sit in a peaceful area, they sit very beautiful under a tree and think about their poetry, their scenes, imaginate each and everything when they write up poems. When we read a poem, we think about and start imagining whatever poet writes, like Kabir Das, Sur Das, Kali Das. These are the famous Hindi poeters who write a very good poetries. In my previous lecture, I also told you about Rahim Das poetry. I also narrate one of his poetry. So the poetry is basically totally depend on creative writing because creative writing is an art. My second point is plays. What is plays? Plays is basically a character based story, and this is basically a fictional story. There are so many characters which are denoting each and everything, and there are the publics start imagining about that story, and like Nukkad Natak, and so many things are there. Third one is movie or television script. So movie or television script is a fictional type of script writing which is depend on imagination or your thinking ability, your point of view. Whenever you see a movie, you start imagining your life with that story. You start when you see a love story, when you see a autobiography, whenever you see whatever you see in the movie, you start imagining yourself with that story and relate to yourself with that story. This is the power of creative writing, that you are imagining yourself with that particular scene or with that particular script writing. Movies are so many types. There are so many types of movies. Firstly is fictional movies, non-fictional movies. Fictional movies are totally depend on imagination. Non-fictional movies are depends on truth about the story, like autobiography of MS Dhoni or Sachin Tendulkar. These types of movies are non-fictional, and fictional movies are love stories like Bahubali. These are the fictional stories. These movies are the imagination of narrator. When you see a MS Dhoni movie, the story is totally on the famous Indian cricket player MS Dhoni, purely on the life story of MS Dhoni. He told you about their struggle, that how they start their journey from that place and make their image in Indian cricket team. But in that movie there are so many scenes which is not even happen in their life, but they are present in that movie because the movie wants to be attractive for their audience. That's why some scenes are fictional. No, but whole movie is not a fictional, but some scenes are fictional because they want to target their audience and attract their audience with that movie. When we talk about the fiction movie like Bahubali, they totally depend on the imagination. There are so many visuals, there are so many thriller, action, love, and so many scenes are there, but you are very very admire and attracted with that story, because they know that what their audience wants and what audience wants to get. Now, fourth one is fiction. I told you that fiction story is totally upon your imagination. It is all about your imagination. Whatever you imaginate, you write on the paper. This is a creativity of your mind, of your point of view, that you are write something very special or something very different, that makes that writing is very creative and very sourceful. And this is the art of every writing, that you imaginate something and write on the paper very beautifully. Now our next point is songs. In songs you see that the lines, the words they use is very attractive and very different, that you start memorize that your memory, and start thinking about that particular memory. Why songs are released before the movie? Because when you listen a song, you start imagining about the movie. You think that if the song is very beautiful, then the movie is also good. There are so many movies, the songs are good but the movies are not good, but songs makes too much profit for their movie. In Bollywood there are very less movies which don't carry a song, but with song the movie is completed, is the pure example of infotainment. You get information, entertainment and education. When you watching a biography, they also have a songs. I give you an example of MS Dhoni. In that movie, the song is also present. Why? The song at that time the song is not placed in MS Dhoni's life, but song is directly connected to their audience, and song is easily learned by the audience. So it's related to the whole story of the movie. Now the sixth point is speeches. What is speeches? What is dialogues? Why it is necessary? Why it is important? It is important because when you listen our dialogues, when you listen our speeches, if they are attractive, if they are very useful, then you listen very properly, then you listen each and everything very clearly. In every speeches the writer wants to write a very in local language. In local language is the basic of writing. If you write in local language, then you connect your local audience. That is the main reason the movie is dubbed in many languages. If the movie is from south, and then it is also dubbed in English language, it is also dubbed in Hindi language, it is also dubbed in Kannada language. That is the main reason they wants to target their local audience. If the audience is from UP and they love to watch that movie in Hindi language, if the audience is from south, they want to watch that movie in their language. This is the main reason the movie is dubbed in many languages. So the speeches is very important to target their audience. Now the next topic is memoirs. What is memoirs? Memoirs are the autobiography of a specific person. You write something about that person from your knowledge. You write something about the truth of that event, or you always write a non-fictional story. There are so many autobiographies and there are so many people who write memoirs. They write something about that person with their personal knowledge. This is called a memoirs. Memoirs is always present in non-fictional type. Now next topic is personal essay. What is personal essay? Personal essay is also a non-fictional type. This is also called about something you write from your knowledge, like autobiography about someone, like you write something about true events. This is also called a personal essay, that you write about that particular topic which is based on true events. So that's all for today. Hope we meet in our next lecture soon.